Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to capture leads from your website in Salesforce step by step. First, log in to your Salesforce account and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. Next, type Web to Lead in the Quick Find box and click the link to open its setup page. Then click Edit and check the box to enable Web to Lead. You can also set a default lead creator. If you have someone responsible for new leads, then click Save. Then click Create Web to Lead form. Choose the fields you want to capture like name, email, company, and phone. Set the return URL where users will go after submitting the form, like a thank you page. For security, add a reCAPTCHA API key to protect against spam. After that, click Generate to get the HTML code for your form. Finally, take this code and embed it into your website where you want the form to appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.